Hi, this is Shreya Pandit, and currently I'm studying in class 12 Cbse in Midka Research Camps. Well, I want you to know that if you're joining Midka Research Camps, then it is the best decision you'll make, and I'm sure you're not going to regret it. Our teachers are just amazing, yeah, and you're going to love them. They are not just amazing teachers with amazing teaching techniques and with amazing skills, but they are also great best friends. Yeah, they become your best friends. And the techniques with these that teach, those are just amazing. It is as if almost everything which they teach in the class, we learn it, we just grasp it in that very attempt, in that very single attempt. And it becomes very easy for us to learn. And our teachers, they don't just go, yes, learn this, learn that. No, yeah, they'll just give you so many real life examples that you're going to relate to every inch of it. And yeah, they're amazing. And you're not gonna be left with any queries unsolved with yourself. Yeah, thank you.